play a vital role in sustainable agriculture by supporting critical biodiversity in landscapes. They offer food and fodder, improve soil health, but importantly are a foundation organism for other biodiversity, from microbes and fungi to insects, birds and mammals. Multipurpose trees are trees deliberately grown or preserved for more than one use, product or service. They provide direct benefits such as food, fuel and medicine while simultaneously improving soil fertility, conserving water and supporting biodiversity. Multipurpose trees are frequently distinctive components of agroforestry systems, and their multifunctionality positions them as a cornerstone of sustainable agricultural landscapes. The strategic inclusion of native multipurpose trees helps conserve biodiversity by complementing local fauna and providing habitat connectivity and food sources for various species, which enhances overall ecosystem health. Tree cover, especially provided by native trees, helps maintain crop pollinators, crucial for sustaining plant diversity and productivity. Additionally, trees play a crucial role in sequestering carbon, contributing to climate change mitigation. This integrated approach ensures that farming practices support and enhance the natural ecosystem, contributing to more resilient and sustainable agroecosystems. Multipurpose trees are implemented in various systems worldwide, on farms with alley cropping improving soil fertility, as boundary shade trees in coffee plantations enhancing yields, in farm forests where these trees are managed on farm for different purposes. Monoculture systems focus on single crops or tree species in plantations, often at the expense of biodiversity and ecosystem health. They rely heavily on chemical inputs, deplete natural resources, and are less resilient to environmental stresses, making them unsustainable in the long term. Multipurpose native trees offer a sustainable alternative. They restore degraded lands, reduce the environmental footprint of agriculture, and strengthen ecosystems, creating more resilient and productive agricultural landscapes. Multipurpose trees are not just a farming practice. They are a key strategy for addressing biodiversity loss and ecosystem degradation. By integrating these trees into agricultural systems, we can build a sustainable future.